Hey everyone, I'm doing a quick video. So two things came in Amazon mail today. It's great. The first came in this linear actuator, which is $20, a 12-volt linear actuator. Right here, this is a $15 buck boost converter. All right, and what I'm doing here is I'm controlling this linear actuator, 12-volt linear actuator, with that H bridge, which is controlled by the Raspberry Pi, which is also the converter is supplying power to the H bridge. The great thing about this guy is I'm only inputting 6 volts, right? I'm only inputting 6 volts on the in, and when I go to out, it's giving me 12 volts. Now he can even go up to 24 volts. So what this guy is, he's a buck boost. He can boost up from a small voltage up to a large voltage. And also the buck can buck it down, take a large voltage and buck it down to a small voltage. So this is great for like if you're going to make mobile applications of drones that require 12 volts and you're worried about the heavy battery pack that's going to weigh down your device, like your drone or your four-wheeled vehicle, or your even your four-legged robotic quadruped robot dog. So this is great. And so you can see right here on my power supply, it's an adjustable power supply, right? And I don't know if you can see it, but right now I have it set to 6 volts. So 6 volts is being bumped up to 12 volts to drive this linear actuator through this H bridge. This H bridge is a motor driver, and when you control two inputs, you can swap the polarity of the DC motor, which is this guy, which is controlled with the Raspberry Pi. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I've had a little bit of caffeine in my system, so like Red Bull, so I'm all jazzed up because I'm just excited what came in the Amazon mail, and they're so inexpensive. So yeah, so let me go over this real quick. To disable my output, you're going to see this green light, right? So when I turn the output off, it turns the green light off, which you also see the red light of my motor driver go off. All right, so output on, output off. All right, and so to adjust these voltages, you have a potentiometer right here for in and potentiometer for out. So that's pretty much it, guys. And please check out more videos on my YouTube. Please click like, subscribe, leave a comment. I always respond to the comments. So have a nice night, guys. See ya.